music into this. Okay, I want to do, oh, it was in space, it's fine. Hey, I'm going to be showing you how to make an origami diamond. I recently discovered this myself. What you want to do is you want to fold this over, like that, and then just cut that. I'm using a piece of paper that was already cut because I do not want to use materials that are not necessary. I'm going to go like this. So you have the X. Okay, I'm going to be drawing lines. So they are, see make sure this pen works. And does this pen work? Yes, it does. Okay, so we have a line here. And this line here. There we go. Okay. There you have it. Now you want to take and fold on one of these lines down. Crease it. And you want to take, you want to fold this line right here. This line right here. I'm going to take this end and bring it down to match that. And then you want to crease it and do the same to the other side as well. So you have these two corners folded in. You want to mark on that line. So now you have that. You want to take, and with these corners still folded down, fold this up like that, and do the same to this side. So down, up. Okay, then you want to take it, and it should, and if you take it and you fold it in to match, if you take this edge and fold it along, it should match up evenly, and you just want to draw on the line right there, and we do the same to this side. You have that. Now you want to take this side and line it up with here. So go like okay. It should resemble to a kite, like that. I'm going to draw one of those lines as well. So now you have this. What you're going to do is you want to take one side, open it up, and fold this flap. It should gently fold because you have made the folds right there that we did not draw. But you just want to press it and then fold it over. And then take this, press it so that the batch is even like that. And then you want to fold this so that these corners right here, you got a line going across like so. And there you have